How to change password in Roblox. So if you want to change password in Roblox, then first you just need to open up your Roblox application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you open up your Roblox, now you need to go with more option, which is on the bottom right. Tap on more, and under more you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have an option of settings. So simply tap on the settings option. Under settings, you need to go for the first option, which is account info. Under account info, here you need to simply go with the password. So here on the bottom, under the login methods, you will have password, and on the right side of that password, you will have a pencil shaped icon or the edit icon. Tap on the edit. Once you tap on it, here it will take you to change password options or change password interface. Now you need to enter your current password and then enter your new password, and again confirm your new password. And once you enter your passwords, tap on update. Once you tap on update, you will successfully update your password, or you will change your password. So that's how you can change your password in Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.